No gym, no equipment, no problem. This 10-minute home workout is perfect for beginners. If you're just starting your fitness journey, this workout will help you build strength, burn fat, and stay consistent right from home. Start with a quick warm-up, jumping jacks to 30 seconds. Arm circles, light stretching, always warm up to avoid injury. First, squats, works legs and glutes. Do 12 to 15 reps. Keep your back straight, push-ups for chest and arms. Beginner, do knee push-ups. 8 to 12 reps plank for core strength. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe and stay strong, lunges for legs and balance. 10 reps each leg, slow and controlled. Finish with light stretching, relax your muscles and slow your breathing. You don't need a gym to start. You don't need to be perfect, just show up every day. Like, subscribe and save this workout. Your fitness journey starts today.